Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό «μας την πέσανε». «Μας την πέσανε» it's an expression that we use whenever we have been caught doing something wrong or illegal, or whenever our privacy has been violated and we cannot continue having our personal private conversation. So let's break this phrase down. Mas means us and πέσανε is the past tense of the verb πέφτω, which means to fall. So we're literally saying they fell on us. But let's have a look at some examples. Πάμε να μιλήσουμε κάπου πιο ιδιαιτέρως, μας την πέσανε. Let's talk somewhere more privately, they caught us. Or, η αστυνομία μας την έπεσε, the police caught us. Here I changed the person of the verb because η αστυνομία, it's the third person singular. Γιατί τρέχαμε πολύ. Because we were driving very fast. So, if you want to practice more with this expression, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0 and it is as fun and effective as these videos. I'll see you on the next one then.